So I need to talk quietly because Uber just launched a new program called Uber Quiet Mode. So I need to be quiet, okay? No, I'm just kidding, guys. What's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. We got some fire merch if you want to check it out. Everything on the store is on sale, so go ahead and check out the merch. Alright guys, so today's video, sorry about that, that was pretty funny. I hope you guys could hear me, by the way. I might have to increase the audio on that part. But basically, Uber released, I actually thought this was a joke. I put out a video earlier. I legit thought Uber was joking. I thought it was like one of those, what's that one website, The Onion or something? I was like, Uber, there's no way Uber's releasing a silent mode. So now Uber passengers can now request that their drivers don't talk to them. Let me just pull it up really quick. So Uber quiet mode. There's a bunch of different articles on this. I want to find like a really good USA Today. ABC, even more, you know, even more renowned. Oh, that's a video. I'm not gonna play a video, but yeah, basically I'm gonna pull up an article really quick. Okay, here it is, right? So Uber offers quiet mode so you don't have to talk to the driver, but it'll cost you extra. Like, is it really that big of a deal that drivers are talking too much? I actually do agree, because I do take Uber and Lyft a lot as a passenger, because parking is horrible out in the Bay Area. If I want to like go to the gym or something, there's nowhere to park, so I have to Uber there. And actually a lot of drivers do talk way too much. So I guess this is like a, you know, a normal concern, but it's kind of interesting that it's only available on Black. I think Uber, because of, you know, their IPO, they're trying to increase. If you guys didn't know, Uber actually started out as a luxury service, as they only had Uber Black to begin with. So maybe now they're trying to transition it into more of a high class thing. So it's an incentive for people to do Uber Black, because as you can see here, Uber just launched. Yeah, so they have Quiet Preferred or Happy to Chat, and it's only on Uber Black or Uber Black SUV. So not even Select or Comfort offers this. You have to do the most expensive one, which is Uber Black. And I was just checking the prices, like, so if I want to get a ride to, let's just see. Let me pull up my location here. Let's just do my campus, UC Berkeley. Sure. So as you can see here, guys, if I want to go to UC Berkeley to like a local cafe. Oh, whoops. That's like a local cafe, right? Uber X is 20 bucks. Pool, well, it's a little bit late right now because it's busy. Sorry, somebody's texting me. Uber Pool 7 bucks, Uber X 20 bucks, Uber Comfort 37, Uber Black, oh, actually Black is cheaper than Comfort. That's interesting. But yeah, $33, so it's almost twice as much. And then Select is like barely just a little bit more. So yeah, I want to actually see if you can try to get the Uber Comfort, or the, yeah, I don't want to order it because if you guys don't know, even if I do cancel it, Uber's still gonna charge me, and then it takes like days to get the refund. Like, even if I cancel it right away and I never get charged on my account, Uber automatically will bill my bank, and then they'll just refund me like days later. So I don't even want to mess with that. One time I was trying to make a video and I kept canceling on people for some reason, and Uber charged me like $300 because that's just how they work. But yeah, basically they want people to do Black, and as you saw on my phone, that it's basically twice as much as a normal car, a normal Uber X. So yeah, and let me go to the Uber newsroom, because if you guys don't know, Uber has a special, you guys should probably check this daily because Uber has this thing. It's just uber.com/newsroom. I actually just found this out. But yeah, they're always like any updates or anything if you think it's fake is all going to be on here. And this is, as you can see, was launched today, introducing an enhanced Uber Black experience. So I'll just go over this really quickly. So yeah, here as we can see is quiet mode. If you need to respond to emails or in the mood for a nap. Yeah guys, if your passengers want to take a nap in your car, then now they can select Uber Quiet. I've been driving for like a year and a half now. I have never had somebody take a nap in my car unless like they had like 1 or 2 people who were like super drunk, so they probably fell asleep. But like, it's not like I'm picking up somebody who's like in the middle of the day and they're gonna get a quick snooze in. Like, is that an actual thing? I don't know where they're getting their research off of. But yeah, make your trip a quieter one with just 1 tap. If you're in the mood to chat, that's an option too. Help with luggage. Let your driver know an extra pair of hands is needed for your luggage. Okay, so this is Uber Black, so they can actually do this on the app. I guess because Uber silence mode, they can't actually communicate with the driver. They have to like, it's all through the app now, which is kind of weird. Like, I honestly would prefer for my passenger to just say, hey, can you help me? Rather than type in the app, can you help me? It's like, I'm right here, bro. It's honestly like sitting at the dinner table and you're texting your buddy back and forth. I mean, it's kind of convenient if there's other people you don't want them to hear your conversation, but it's like you're texting somebody and it's just you two and you're at the dinner table. Might as well just talk. Extended pickup period. Yeah, they actually said, where is it? Does it say it on here? Oh, it doesn't say it, but well, guys, let's see. Now passengers now have 15 minutes to get to their ride. Yeah, Uber Black drivers are now supposed to wait 15 minutes after arriving. Guys, so when I pick up a passenger, I'm expected to just chill outside while they, I don't know. Literally now, passengers are going to be requesting Ubers in the middle of dinner. And they're going to be like, well, my driver can wait 15 minutes for me on top of him, and on top of the time it already takes him to get there. For Uber Black, it's probably going to take 10 minutes because there's not that many black cars. So it's like, oh, I just sat down for dinner. Let me order my Uber because my Uber's going to wait 15 minutes for me. It's like, why? I don't understand why they're kind of promoting this culture because like of just waiting on the passenger. Like, I understand Uber Black is a higher experience, but like 15 minutes is a long time. Maybe if they pay like, I don't know, $5 per minute or something, then I'll wait. Or for like 10 bucks, even like 10 bucks for the 15 minutes, I probably still would not wait because I could definitely make more money doing another trip. I guess, as you can see here, this ignores the fact, that women often feel uncomfortable when male drivers incessantly talk to them. And it can get scary when it's flirtation. Oh yeah, and it's rude or dehumanizing that they stay silent. So yeah, guys, what do you think? Do you think it's dehumanizing? So the main question that I wanted to ask is Uber quiet mode the beginning of driverless cars? Because, as you guys know, Uber is working on driverless cars, spending at least $20 million per month for the past 3 years trying to create driverless cars. Is Uber quiet mode the beginning to that? Now, it's less of an experience and it's just to get from A to B. Will driverless car, is quiet mode a transition into driverless cars? Or is it just, you know, a lot of drivers are flirting with their passengers and that's why? Premium support. So if you do Uber Black, you access phone support with live agents. So now you can call somebody, a live agent. Riders will have a little extra time. That's how they word it. Yeah, it's an extra 10 minutes, 15 minutes total, because it used to be 5. Premium feature experiences. Oh yeah, help with luggage, temperature. Oh, 100% of US Black and SUV. New driver and vehicle requirements are currently present in Atlanta. So if you guys live in any of these areas, there are new vehicle requirements, new driver and vehicle requirements. It doesn't say what they are though. That's the thing. I'm trying to find the requirements. Except at airports, after 5 minutes, riders will be charged a per-minute waiting fee. Riders will not be charged a driver cancellation fee for up to 15 minutes after the Black driver partner arrives. So the rider can wait up to 15 minutes without even being charged. A rider will be charged a cancellation fee if the rider initiates at 5 minutes or more, blah, 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 blah. Uber Black riders will be charged a per-minute waiting fee after 2 minutes and will not. That's just totally contradicting themselves. Yeah, as you can see, I posted my video yesterday. I wanted to go over this one comment that I found that I thought was pretty interesting. Look at that. Almost 2K views so far. I don't know why the video is not loading, but yeah, so 2K views, pretty good. Obviously, I like my own thumbs up. Maybe I'll just do a thumbs down just to get it more controversial. No, just kidding. Yeah, you should also give drivers this option because there are plenty of times when I don't want to talk. Hashtag relatable. Hashtag relatable. There are a lot of times when passengers just will not be quiet. And I would love to just click mute mode. Have you seen those things? Those memes? Mute. Oh yeah, that's the sleeping one. Lol. Not only are we hotels, they want to treat us like robots now. Yep. Driverless cars. It's disgusting. The feedback is not good from drivers. They can tap need more time. They can pay us $5 each. Now that would be nice. If they click need more time, honestly, that would not be a bad feature because I've gotten to places where like I got there and then the passengers was not ready and I had to just leave. Sure, you get the $5 cancellation fee, but like, you know, I still miss out on the whole fare. So if a passenger can just click need more time, because a lot of times they're just, you know, whatever, stuff happens, you know. I don't blame them. I don't know, maybe they're a parent and their kid started throwing up or something and then they're about to leave and then, you know, say they have a couple kids, you know, and the mom needed, I don't know. There's stuff happens. Click need more time, another $5. It's not a bad idea. Just saying, Uber, if you're watching this. Yeah, another one about the 15-minute wait. And wait 15 minutes before canceling a ride? Uber is really starting to get on my nerves. Love your channel, but try not to talk too much and get to the point, please. And you, keep the hard work and stick on the ice. Stick on the ice. I'm not on ice, bruh. This one, 10 likes on this comment. How do I turn off the passenger? Shout out to Retro Red. There should be a quiet mode for passengers at the driver's seat and only in backseat only. This one I actually responded because this will never work. There should be a quiet mode for passenger at the driver request and backseat for only 1 or 2 passengers. See, that would never work because there's a reason why you need 4 doors if you're going to be a driver, to accommodate at least 4 people. There's no way Uber would ever allow that. But yeah, pretty much All the feedback here is that no, the drivers do not like this. Actually, some people do. So I have gotten a couple people that say that they don't mind, that they just want to get from point A to B. Here we go. Lana LaRue, I did want to mention this really quick. I never talk to my clients. They don't pay me to talk. I'm there to drive. I've been driving since December, 5-star rating, 95% accept. All I say is I'll get you there as fast as I can, that's it. If they speak to me, I speak. I'm a driver. My dad was driving around in stretched limos with the driver. I don't ever remember hearing him speak. He opened doors, got luggage, closed doors, period. It's not our job to be talking to passengers. They pay us to drive, period. Pick up, drive, drop off. That's why I make almost 200 bucks a day driving 4 hours. That's 50 bucks an hour. I get more tips for having smooth, quiet ride. I don't honk my horn. I don't slam on my brakes. I pretend my 94-year-old grandma is in the car in the front seat, and that, my friends, is how you stay active and productive on your Lyft app. I love Lyft, and I appreciate them giving me an opportunity to make big money without swinging on a pole. Thanks, Lyft, lifting my life. Yeah. Obviously, this whole quiet mode has nothing to do with Lyft. Although besides that, sorry, I got a little white there. Besides that, it was a great comment. Everyone has their different opinions, so let me know your opinion. Do you like this? Do you not like this? Are you with Lana LaRue? Are you with, you know, some other people? Yeah, so there's a lot of angry drivers in the comment section. It's just kind of funny to read. Actually, wow, 100 comments. Pretty good for my channel, you know, considering I only have around, what, 8,000 subscribers now? 8,004? 8,047. So, alright guys, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is this the beginning of driverless cars? Make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video on Uber and Lyft. Check out the merch store if you want to get some rideshare merch. Everything's on sale on the store right now for the next 2 weeks. Then I'm getting rid of these designs, and yeah, I don't know when we'll come out with new ones, but 2 weeks, and then these will be gone forever, so get them while they last. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.